So in 2014, CBSE tried something new. They introduced something called OTBA, which is Open Text-Based Assessment. And the idea was simple. Instead of making students memorize everything, let's just give them the study material and then ask questions to test how well they understand it. Kind of like saying, here's the book, now tell us what it really means. But by 2017, OTBA was quietly shut down. Not because it was a bad idea in theory, but because the system wasn't ready. The teachers probably weren't trained to set or grade open-ended questions, and the students weren't used to answering questions that weren't fixed or static in nature.
Even the parents didn't know how to help the kids, so the system quietly went back to the old ways.
And now 10 years later, even though we're glad to see CBSE reintroducing OTBA from next year, we're at the same point again with AI. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude are the new textbooks, and students can use them to look things up, you can use them to get help and learn faster. And again, people are thinking, but what if students cheat? But that's the wrong question. We should use the learning we received from OTBA's failure, and instead of banning or criticizing the use of AI, we should start designing assignments around it. Because let's be honest, just like OTBA helps students think deeper, AI can sort of do the same. For example, instead of asking students to write a full essay, just give them an essay written by AI and ask them to critique it or make it logically coherent or find faults where the AI might be jumping to conclusions. But for it to work, AI has to be available in the hands of every student in India, just like a textbook. Because the fact of the matter is, more than 50% of schools in India don't even have computer or internet facilities. But we can't sit and wait for the infra to change. One thing I've been very vocal about from almost a decade is that we need to put PCs in the hands of every student in India and give them access to AI in this evolving digital world. And that's where our partner, who we've been partnering with now for a very long time, Intel, comes in. We all know how advanced these AI PCs have become. You've seen us talk before about the Intel Core Ultra processors, but what you might not know is that Intel is also offering free AI training, hands-on mentorship from AI experts, certification, and even a chance for students to join an AI community where you learn and build great stuff together. Now, this kind of initiative is extremely crucial today because let's be honest, we missed out our chance with OTBA, and there's a very good chance for a private player like Intel to come in and help us solve this. Let's not miss it again.